Italian Sicilians do it better. Oh, can't you see? From cooking to comedy, it's pure family. Turn it up, this groove's for you. Queens in the house, bringing something true.
I haven't seen Marcus. Oh, we started?
Who cares?
Yeah, we started.
Yeah,
I
we
haven't seen
started when we
Marcus
feel
in
like
so
we started.
long. It's like fucking... Yeah, I start calling him Skinny Marcus. Bro.
Skinny mini, bro.
Shit.
Bello skinny.
Sa perder o timing sa perder.
No, I want to keep those. Those are the only things I play with now.
I swear, if you shaved or buzzed your beard,
Yeah.
you probably notice it even more.
I'm waiting for this to go down because I could feel it. You could feel the fat still underneath. When that goes all the way down, I want to see my jawline for the first time since I was 6.
Wow.
Yeah, it's gonna be a miracle moment.
How you feeling though?
Honestly, I'm feeling all right, man. You know, it became a chore to eat now, which I used to live to eat. Now I just eat to live.
Right.
And there is a difference. But like I eat that 2 little things, I gotta stop. Air's gotta come up. I'm burping like an idiot. And then once that happens, I can fit a little bit more room. I can only eat 6 ounces.
Yeah. Wow.
Bro, babies eat more than I do. But
So
I went from
6 ounces what per day or
6 ounces for the meal.
for the meal?
Right. So I went from when I started this, I was 293 pounds.
Wow.
I weighed myself literally yesterday or this morning, I can't even remember at this point, 257, and it hasn't even been 2 months yet.
Yeah.
But
You could tell.
they say it's in the face, and I keep saying, how big was my fucking head?
It's pretty big.
But it was pretty big,
I'm-
right? No, I know. I know what
but
you're saying.
you could,
Yeah,
as soon as I saw you, I haven't seen you
saw it right
since.
there.
I saw it right in your face right away.
Yeah, a lot of people have been saying that, but yeah, it's
Your pila got very lisce.
it's all the protein that I'm taking in because I have to do like over 60 grams of protein a day so I don't lose my hair on my teeth.
Yeah, your hair does look good.
Thank you, bro.
Gee, what's going on in Florida? What are you doing over there these days?
It's hot, bro.
He goes, what are you doing? Fucking myself. That's about it. That's all I do
Hot,
out
bro.
here.
He's so
I couldn't
tan,
even
bro.
explain. Y'all ever been cremated? You know what it's like?
I've had a feeling. I've had a feeling.
It's
My father
bad,
roasts
bro.
me on a weekend.
If you first turn on your car and then it says it's higher than it is, and you start driving and it goes down a little bit. It stayed.
It got
didn't go down.
hotter.
It was hot.
Wow.
So I'm gonna go out and give you guys a topic
Yeah,
because I want to talk about it a bit.
sure.
What do you guys? Oh, yeah, I wrote it down here.
What?
So the question is: are we losing our Italian roots, or is it evolving on all the stuff that we're doing on social media? What are you guys' opinions on that?
Both. I think that's a two-headed question because even if it evolves, you're never actually losing it.
No, but meaning like you lose the original intensity that you had, like that traditional old school way. That's because that's what happened out there. They evolved and they lost. So eventually might be losing what we have to evolve.
Exactly. That's what it.
I think we're so
I mean,
stuck.
maybe as you keep going down in generation, probably. I mean,
But I still-
Frank, we spoke about this before. Your kids don't speak Italian like you speak. God knows, God willing, they will one day. But if they don't, then their kids are gonna not speak any.
But
You
that's
know what I
not
mean?
my.
And
That's
how
not
it
my.
starts.
That's not my question. Is everything we're doing, like what you just mentioned, what I said, what we talk about all the time? Let's say our kids and all that. Are we losing the roots, or is it evolving? Because so many people are on the bandwagon, right or wrong.
Yeah, so I have a lot to say about this, So when it
What a
comes to
surprise, Sal.
when it comes to evolving, right? When
Yeah.
it comes to this, it has evolved in bad direction sometimes. Like, we all face the whole fake Italian type of comments that people get. Even though this podcast really doesn't deal with that much, but other people deal with that, a lot of hate, fake Italian, because we Italian Americans have made other people around us cringe. Okay, so when you make a video, right, let's just say I take this piece of bread, so when you get this fucking piece of bread, right, and you dip it in the sauce, that's fucking Italian, bro. You know who else dips their bread in sauce? Fucking human mankind dips their bread in sauce. So it's like we make the outside world at times cringe with the whole that's Italian thing, because the more Italian Americans try to act Italian, the more cringy it is. So you just be Italian. You don't need to try to be Italian. Just be you. Have your know your ancestors, know your roots, know where you came from, know what generation you are. Your second, third generation. You know what? I'm American, but yes, I'm Italian American. But the ones that try too hard, bro, those are the ones that are making that evolve in the wrong
The
direction.
way that goes is there's a circus, and those are the clowns.
But why? Does the circus get more of an applaud? I feel than the legit. Am I wrong for saying
Because let's just say one of those videos gets 1 million views or 500,000 views, right? And a bunch of likes. But those are 500,000 people laughing at them.
Or
Not
who's just
laughing
like
with them. Not laughing with them. Like I tell you all the time, it's quality. These people don't care about quality. They're quantity over quality. You know what I mean? I'd rather make a video and get like 100 views or a couple of hundred likes, but it's a quality video. I don't want millions of people laughing at me because that's what you're getting. Because why do you think it has so many views? Look at what this fucking cocksucker did. And you send it to someone. This guy sends it to someone. Look what an idiot he looks. And this guy sends it to that one.
I think I'm guilty of that.
How many videos have I sent you? Look at this Shimonito. But that's why it gets all the views. Because it's
Do you think these
quality
people
over
are
quantity.
acting? Do you think these people are trying to act Italian, or you think that's just how they are? Like, I don't think they're trying to make a. I don't think most of these people are trying to make a mockery of Italians.
I do
I just
feel
think
they
that's
might
just
be.
how they grew up, and that's how they see how their family grew up, and that's how they are.
No. I say you could tell the difference. There's some
All the
people out there, bro,
who,
that
who leave these words out and those letters out, like gabagool, like we talked about, then that's just how they talk. But we see that as they're mocking us.
But see, that doesn't even bother me. If they call it gabagool or
Yeah.
you know Shravadol or whatever the hell they want, that don't bother me. What bothers me is like when people start acting like a movie.
Yeah.
Like that can't be
Yeah,
real.
but I know I keep saying this and I'm like killing a dead horse. Is that what it is? Like
Beating a dead
beating
horse.
a
Beating a
dead
dead
horse.
horse.
Yeah.
The Sopranos has really, as much as a great show that
They
was,
killed us.
it really fucking hurt us.
Oh yeah.
It was such a blockbuster show. The whole world was watching it. It hit Jersey like crazy.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone in Jersey is just
Fucking
like,
heads
what the
like
fuck?
this.
You motherfucker! You know what I mean? So it's just like, that's how it is in friggin'
Yeah.
It has really affected that show alone. Then you have the mobster movies, which are classics. Classics.
Which I enjoy.
Which we all enjoy.
Right.
But Sopranos, I think, because of the amount of years that it went on, I think it went on for 10
Well,
years.
there's a mob movie that one of us clearly made a post that they found to be shit. So
Yeah, The Godfather sucks ass. But let me go back. Let me go back to The Sopranos real quick. It took me like 3 or 4 times to watch The Sopranos, the first episode, before I started actually, because when I first watched the first episode, I'm like, nobody talks like that when Tony Soprano was talking.
Yeah.
I'm like, no one talks like that. So I immediately but everybody kept talking about it.
Yeah.
And I went like years before I got into it. And then I started loving the show because the storyline was incredible. But my first look at it, I was like, no one talks like this.
Gee.
No one's doing that.
Gee, you're
But yeah, The Godfather sucks. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
You're absolutely right, because I was the same way. The time I didn't watch Sopranos until maybe I binge watched it maybe a good like 10 years ago, and that show came out like over 25 years ago. So when that show first came out, I was a doorman on the Upper East Side, and the kid, the son, I forgot his name,
Yeah.
the son, whatever, used to always come to the building because his girlfriend lived there. And at the time,
What was his name?
at the time, the tenants were like, "Oh my God, that's what's his name from The Sopranos," and I'm like, I didn't give a shit because I would call up to the room like, "Hey, I forgot his name. I forgot his name, but I got this Stay over here. You want me to send him up?" And we send him up. But at the time, I didn't know who he was because I didn't watch as big as Sopranos was at the time. We're talking about now 2001, 2002. That shit was like the peak of it.
Yeah.
And I didn't watch, like G said, I didn't start watching that maybe like till
3
like
years ago.
2010, 20.
3 years ago, I binged and watched it,
Yeah.
and I said this was great.
It was great.
I don't
It's the storyline. The
Yeah.
storyline.
Yeah.
sucks.
Storyline is great.
The storyline was fantastic.
absolutely.
But you could tell how it hurt Italian Americans.
100%.
You know what I mean? It's just
I sat
like-
there and go, this is fucking ridiculous.
Yeah.
I love it.
So I want to talk about this fucking Godfather movie.
Yo, all right, that
We
means
don't
that
have to.
you
We
two
did that
got to
already.
get at it.
It doesn't matter. I think now it's getting personal because I wouldn't collaborate
go
with him on the one he put out there.
No, I didn't even send it to you.
I know. I ain't even sharing the story. I'm just saying. I think it's unfair to judge a classic to be known as it sucks.
No,
But he
I
said he doesn't like
He
the
says The
there-
Godfather sucks.
I said in there it was done well for its time.
But
I give it the respect it is for being done in the 70s, but it sucked.
So what do you like better, Godfather 1 or 2?
It was boring.
What about
They were
Godfather
both-
2?
2 was better, but they were
3, I
both-
agree.
they
3
were-
was awful.
everyone agrees that 3
Three
was shit. Everyone knows that.
3 doesn't belong there.
They involved
But
the
2
Pope.
was
and-
better. But they were all just
I didn't
played out.
remember
It was-
3. How about that?
I watched them all.
Somebody was in Florida. I don't know. Boat.
Shit. Man.
Listen,
I don't want to go back into
I-
it.
I
I
got
said what
your
I had to
point.
say. Go back.
Listen,
ahead.
I got your point though. For the time, it was a masterpiece of its time, but it did not age well. It's a very
Okay,
long
that's what I'm
movie.
saying. He keeps saying it sucked. No, it
No,
didn't.
it didn't age well. That's what he's saying. It didn't age well. As of right now, as we stand, 2025, Godfather Part 1, and not Merda. That's what he's saying.
So ask my wife. I don't care what the fuck you guys say.
okay.
When it's on TV, I watch it.
Oh,
I can't
believe
help
you.
if you're
I believe.
retarded. I don't
believe
think-
you like to watch.
Am I wrong
I
for
believe
saying
you like
that?
to
I
watch.
don't agree with that. I mean, am
I
the only
believe
one?
you like to watch bad movies. I understand. That's
go.
Once in
fine
a
with
while,
me.
you want a bad
bro.
pizza, right? So you order Domino's. Godfather is the Domino's of the cinema
You
world.
want bad pizza? Go to Florida.
Listen, it is what it is, man. I mean, listen, Frank, you're gonna always watch it because that was like a film of your time that you liked. I'm not saying you're 80
No.
years old, but
In general, like
Yeah.
20 years go by. Like I can never say my son's even gonna watch that movie. God, I mean, I would love it if he did, but when he's 30 years old, those films are gonna be 80 years old by that point. You know.
dust.
So like, even like, is he gonna like Bronx Tale that came out in my time? Is he gonna like Casino?
No, well, think about it. Do you like Grandpa's movies that were on VHS? No.
I started watching westerns.
Yo, they're sick, right? Dude, they were big. Italians love those
Oh
spaghetti
my God. I
westerns,
remember as
bro.
a kid watching The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly.
Oh,
my
yeah?
God, my father loved that stuff. He just left.
That's all he does. He gets up, takes a shit, and he sits down like he's got diarrhea.
Yeah, no, those westerns.
Yeah,
forget it, man.
dude. My father has a picture of him dressed up like a cowboy. He was like in his early 20s, bro. It was the weirdest thing to see him. And you see him with the cowboy hat, pistola, he's all hanging out there. But that was the stuff that they loved so much. That was their thing. They loved the westerns.
Yeah.
I'm like, when the fuck did you do
did.
this?
Yeah, my father loved Clint Eastwood, and he's still making. I just watched the Clint Eastwood movie now. He's like 97. That movie, where he's the Mule. It's called. Did
Oh,
you
the
watch
mule. Yeah.
That was a good movie.
I actually liked the mule.
Yeah.
It was pretty cool. I actually felt bad for him. He looked like an old man, Pietuzzo.
For me,
know,
it's
but-
not the western, but Gran Torino, fucking
Yeah.
excellent film, bro.
movie.
And then he started talking to Chairs, and then we don't know what happened to him.
Talking to what?
Chairs, Clint Eastwood. You don't remember that?
I never watched it.
No. He was on. He was during giving a speech. He was trying to like be funny,
Oh.
or like he was trying to, and he was literally talking to an empty chair on stage for like 15 minutes. Everyone's like, "Whoa, he lost his shit."
Yeah.
But
Can I just go back real quick to my point, which was,
The Godfather sucks.
is our kids gonna listen? No, look, are our kids gonna listen or watch the movies that came out in our times?
they
But like,
will.
I do that with music. Like, I'm obsessed with Italian music that my grandfather used to listen to.
Mhm.
Johnny Morandi, Totò Cutugno, the Bupo. They're like, I love
Who's
them all.
Johnny's
And all this
Madonna?
new
What do you-
music, I don't listen to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's everybody. Even the new music, even the English new music today. I mean, everybody's like fixated on the old school stuff.
Dude,
It's just how it is. Everything old school, the generation that we grew up when, everything was better. Not just the music, life was better. So it's just everything is so auto generated now. So you know what I mean? Like even the music is auto generated. Like it is nothing natural. Like it's so easy to make a song now for these guys
Yeah.
because there's a lot more like audio generations. I have no clue what I'm saying right
It's
now.
all
but-
right. No, but
No,
you
it
sound like
makes-
you
it
know what you're
sounds like-
talking about.
it
Just
sounds
keep
like
going.
it
keep
makes
going,
sense,
bro.
though.
You're
Let's go.
fucking
Yo,
killing it.
hit it.
You know?
Hit it.
You know, but Frank, going back to what you said, going back to what you said before, if we start giving each other nicknames, I say, I call myself, hey, I'm fucking Sally Schnoz. You call yourself fucking Skinny Marcus.
You're gonna call me skinny.
Fucking, you know what I mean? Frankie fucking Slippers.
Mufolete.
Yeah. Then we start talking like this. You get a bunch of views, bro. Because
Yo,
like, don't
honestly,
start sharing shit. Look at
it's
this fucking
sad.
cocksucker.
You gotta talk with the whistle. That makes you more gangster.
Yeah, he does.
Stop.
Yeah. You know, people know me around here. You know what I'm saying? They call me- in TikTok, you gotta be like connected to hang out with me. But you know, that's how it is. You know what I mean?
What is with that? What is with people trying to act like mobsters?
Because that's what people are engaged
But
to.
there are people that we know and follow today, right? That, like, I don't know. Like, I don't think it's a persona. I just think that's how they.
No,
some of
I'll
them
give you a
grew
perfect
up.
example. You don't have to put this as a clip. Like Little Mo.
I'll put it up. Go ahead.
No,
Clip
Little
it.
Mo. He doesn't act like. He's not trying to act like
No.
anyone.
No, he
That's
doesn't.
his personality. That's how he is. That's why I have no issue with the way Little Mo acts, because that's him.
Right.
That's how he acts. He's not trying to be somebody else. And I've been saying that all the time. But I'm talking about the people that try to be someone that they're not, that they had no clue about, that they have
Ashton.
no, and then they want to call each other.
Hold on. So my question is to you, and this is coming from you have no idea. How do you know that's not really them? As a question.
Yeah, that's what I was
You
trying to
can
say. How do
tell.
you figure that is an
You
act?
can tell.
Bro,
You
come on.
Come on, you can tell. These people are young, bro. Like, these people are young.
Mhm.
And you could
Here's-
tell.
Here's my thing about this, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's some people who, I guess, manipulate, impose, gangsters, wannabes, right? How is it that I did something simple, which it's squashed now, and people were trying to sit down with me, talk to me? You said this, you said that,
Yeah.
but then you got these imposers.
Yeah.
Why don't they get their ass kicked?
Because it's not worth anybody's time.
But what was my time worth? Because I accidentally said a name. You know
Apparently.
what I'm trying to say?
But apparently you struck a chord. The other ones, they're like, oh, those guys are jokes. Then when you did something or said something, whatever, it's like, oh, really? That's when people have a problem. I want to just say one thing before we keep going. Nutella came out with a new fucking flavor.
Yeah.
Okay?
That's fucking
Peanut.
disgusting.
Bro, come on.
peanut.
Si, I mean, you gotta stop closing your heart to fucking everything, bro.
I like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
All right, but
Peanut butter
Nutella
with-
has a new flavor. It's with peanuts. It's not with hazelnut. That's all I have to say.
Oh,
Good
this
night.
fucking guy's fake Italian. He's
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
fucking Nutella. You know what I'm saying? He doesn't fucking know about Nutella. And I fucking.
I got a question about the Nutella. Is it normal Nutella flavored with peanuts?
So instead of hazelnut,
is
it's
it-
peanut.
It's Reese's Pieces in a jar. That's what it is.
First
I'll try
flavor
it.
in 60 years. All right, what's next?
I just like. I don't know. I mean, I guess it's good to expand. Whatever.
Yo, what kind of fucking sandwiches
Yo,
making after
I
this
gotta
fucking
put that
fucking-
cement,
Yo,
bro,
when I
with
was
the fucking
fucking,
cement.
when I was
Fucking
fucking
gobble
10, bro,
gobble.
I was
You don't
devouring
have the
those
bread
sandwiches.
with the cements on top, bro, with that spread of the
Bro,
Nutella.
let's fucking do this shit, bro.
I like how you're
Call me-
crawling
call me
into the fucking.
Call me fucking Sally Godfather, bro. I put this fucking foot around my fucking head.
Oh God!
Bro, I
Fucking
could
God,
not tell
yeah.
you
Like the Heisen's
the
kid.
amount-
Jesus Christ, I just
Do it, bro. You pass out.
fucking hamstrings killing me right now.
You fucking pulled the wrong thing.
Holy shit.
I thought you were gonna throw me your leg. That was
Fuck,
fucking-
Oh my God, I didn't know what I was
Bro,
doing with
did he
that
do a full
leg.
split?
Yeah,
Bro,
I think so.
If he kept talking like that, he could have put the leg all the way behind his head if he
Yeah,
wanted.
bro, fucking call me fucking Joey Buffalino right now. Call me anything. How you doing? That's what I'm gonna talk from now for the whole fucking podcast.
No, don't do that,
This
bro.
is gonna go
Please.
fucking viral,
I
bro.
could.
I got-
let's
I
go
got
back.
his name.
I could not
I got his
explain
name.
to you how many Nutella sandwiches I've had as a kid.
Yeah, but you didn't have any with the peanut
Like-
butter.
An unbelievable. I know people who put like peanut butter with Nutella.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
ain't that the same?
That's
That what?
I've never done it.
I've never done.
I've never
but-
done that.
Sorry, my
What the fuck are you saying, bro?
Yeah, he's got a mouthful of
the
shit.
fuck?
He's having a stroke. Yo, my
I think
fault.
he swallowed.
In order to
He
talk
swallowed
about
his
fucking
nut when he
jerk
put his
off, I
leg-
gotta put some ice in my fucking throat. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry about.
Yo, a lot of people still use that fluff stuff. Like they'll mix the Nutella with fluff.
Yeah, I know people who've done
It's
that.
fuck,
I know
what
it's
the
not a
hell
thing.
is that? Ugh.
Gross. I do have a question though. So this €1 house that's been going on the internet for like a year, right?
Oh, the $1 buy a house?
whatever.
Oh yeah.
Is that something that ever even intrigued you guys to think maybe?
No, because I already know the houses they're gonna sell me for $1 is a piece of shit.
Well, yeah, but that's
here.
that's
There's
known.
a catch to it. Yes, you get the house for $1, But then you have to spend X amount of dollars on it to
Like renovate it.
renovate the house.
Okay.
So yeah, it's gonna cost
Within
you
a certain limit.
But
you have like
they're gonna
3
tell
years.
you have to probably spend 50K, whoever it is,
Right.
and then you got to live there a minimum of 3 years.
So and there's
you
also
violate any of that, you lose it.
So there's also something else. So back in Italy, every time when they buy property, the property tax and everyone gets taxed. For us being an outside person, like, you know, American or whatever it is, we actually get tax breaks on property. So like that's why even my father at some point he was like, you know what, I want to start splitting stuff up. I'm paying too much in taxes. Let me put some under everybody's name, and the taxes get cut down. That's called fraud. So that's just another reason why we're paying less in just taxes alone, just for that reason. Then you get the dollar house, and then you get all this. There's a lot of perks to it, but it's a piece of shit house.
Bro, what the fuck you guys talking about?
Here we
bro?
go, this fucking
I
guy.
don't know what you guys are fucking talking about right now, for real.
Did the ice numb your tongue?
It numbed his brainstem, bro.
Fuck out that's how I
Fuck
talk.
outta here.
Sal, when you were young,
I think you put that leg up a little too high.
when you were young, right?
Yeah.
How old were you when you came here?
5.
5. Do you remember anything in Italy as a child?
Yeah, I do. I remember Campania. I remember the certain little memories I do have. Yeah,
Do you miss any of those memories when you compare it to here, or no?
absolutely. The family aspect of it, absolutely. My mother was one of 7, and she was the only one that came here. So I had so many aunts and uncles, cousins. I still have all my cousins are there. A lot of my aunts and uncles passed away, but all my cousins are there. They're like around my age, maybe a little younger, some a little older. Actually, I might be the oldest. I think I'm the oldest cousin. And you know what I mean? So it's just yeah, I miss that. I miss the family aspect of it. Like, you know, when you come to your house, you got a full house.
Right.
That's what I remember as a kid in Italy, having that full house for the holidays. And yeah, that's definitely the memory I have.
Which brings me to my next question, and I think we kind of hit it at one point. But do you guys feel? Obviously, the tradition that we hold here is stronger than what Italy has now because they evolved to like new skinny mudande.
I like those.
I'm just saying, like, do you feel like it's also fading? Like, you think our kids will continue this? Like the Sunday dinners.
That depends on you.
And all this
Yeah,
stuff.
that depends on you. I don't think my kids will, because my kids are being, you know, my kids are raised a little bit more, I would say a little bit more Americanized.
Yeah.
Which is fine, but I feel like more your kids have a chance for that. I see.
Because they'll remember all this.
You know what I mean?
They'll remember the
they'll
sit-downs, the
remember all
Sundays
this.
shit,
And
so.
even though my kids do have Sunday dinners and stuff like that. But you know, one thing I do remember, like I came here in 85, right? And as a teenager, you know, I don't remember this whole Italian American like cringe stuff that we see. Yeah, I understand we didn't have social media back then. But the most thing that you heard, I remember my father, one of the first English words he learned was forget about it. He's like, everybody says forget about it. So that was like the most Italian American thing that you heard back in the like 90s, 80s. Forget about it. That's it. You know what I mean? That's why they put the freaking sign, welcome to Brooklyn, forget about it, right? It's like the biggest Italian American slogan that was around back then. Now, like I said, the rise of Sopranos. That's why I keep saying it's just like as the 2000s came, the 2010s, and it's just gotten worse and worse. And then you got these little, you know, creatures trying to mimic it. And get creatures, I call them, but you know what I mean.
They are. They are.
You got notes.
You got.
You know?
So the guys that were just here, obviously they come from Palermo.
Yeah.
And what kind of confused me was I feel like the Sicilian I talk dialect is normal. Off the bat, they were like Sicilian American.
Yeah.
No,
And one of the words that they said that doesn't exist is amonine.
Right.
Really? I thought that was
That doesn't exist over there.
in Sicily, yeah.
Not anymore, at least.
I mean, you're most Italian.
Amonine
here.
doesn't
What do they
exist,
say?
is it?
Andiamo? What is it?
Andiamo.
Andiamo.
He goes, I said to him, like, what? And he goes to me, an example. Cristiano, he goes, people here say amonine. He went like that.
Yeah.
I was like, really? So we just made that word up, I guess?
No, that was definitely a thing, man. Because we don't come up out of nowhere with this.
No, Amonine. I remember my mother saying that all the time.
Right?
Yeah,
Amoni.
so-
Amoni.
I don't know. That struck me because it's like when you talk to someone from Alabama or down south or Georgia, they have the
Bless your
accent.
heart.
Them themselves don't hear their accent, right? We
Yeah,
got the
you're as
accent.
cute as a button.
But right away, he's like Sicilian American. And I'm just so curious to just
That kind of
know.
upset you. I think that struck a chord, bro.
Yeah, it did a little bit.
Nah,
You're
you
like, what the
shouldn't.
fuck?
You
I'm,
shouldn't
a,
have.
I'm Italian. I got a podcast, goddamn.
Yo, look at the fucking sign, asshole.
Bro, it's so hot. I'm gonna be naked in here soon. I keep on
Bro,
buttoning.
every minute he's taking off a new button. Pretty soon we're gonna see his Nutella with peanuts, bro. Damn.
Yo, you know what? I wanted to bring something up real quick. Marco, I was talking to you.
Yeah.
Me and Marco's been working on something for a long time. But in
Yeah.
the middle of while we're working on something, you mentioned that I thought it was weird that I was reading that someone put Merlot in their sauce.
Oh yeah. Mhm.
And I never heard of anybody putting
there are
red
people-
wine or Merlot in their
Yes.
sauce. Can you explain to me
Yeah. So
what? I never heard of that in my
So
life. and
I know a
think you're
few
wrong,
people.
but-
I know a few people who actually do put like a cup of red wine in their sauce to cook. But if you actually really think about
Cup? A cup?
cup, a
That's a
cup.
lot of wine.
that's 8 ounces. That's what a cup
That's
is.
a lot.
So,
I
but
know.
they leave it there to cook. So, but also if you think about it, right? When you make bolognese, right? The few components you need is obviously the meat, right?
That's what I had today for
To
dinner.
make.
Also
Oh yeah,
bolognese.
bolognese. You have
With the piece.
with the without peas.
With or without the peas?
No, without the peas.
That's all you had? You didn't have no pasta? You just had bolognese sauce? You just
The girl says, "You want heavy cream in it?" I go, "If you want me, you give me heavy cream right now. I'm not leaving this place." That's all you know.
Or give me the porta potty.
I said, "Leave out the heavy cream, please."
So when you make a classic, the real classic bolognese is with tomato paste, 3 tablespoons tomato paste, a cup of red wine, and actual beef broth. And then you mix that all together. That's how that becomes a bolognese sauce. That's a real bolognese sauce. Us, we do the passata and we also do the regular cans of sauce or whatever. But I've actually done it with adding a cup of red wine. It does add a different flavor to. Right. It's like a deep, like in the color itself, like it really brings out a whole different side. But I don't do it often. Like I do it like, bro, forget about it. I barely do it for myself. You know? But yeah, there are people who do add red wine to their sauce. Not a whole lot, but enough.
that must be why I was walking sideways every time I ate at your
Yeah,
house.
bro. And then
So if
you
you
were like,
have
"I'm
any
so
questions
tired."
about stuff like that, just contact the Instagram page. Let's talk sauce.
DM us.
Yeah,
We
just-
we'll break it down for you.
They'll break it down in a second. You know what I mean?
I didn't know a cup was 8 ounces. I
Yeah.
just learned that today.
Well, I mean, he said it was a lot. I said, no, it's not a lot. It's 8
Cup,
ounces.
8 ounces of wine is a lot of wine, bro.
How much sauce you making?
Well, if you're just doing it right, this is 16. So
That's
half
16.
of this.
So half of that.
16.
That's a lot. This is 16 ounces. Frank, in case you didn't know.
That's
now you know,
16 ounces.
16 ounces.
This one right here, this is 16.9.
I don't know. But I could tell you, que se chingosoide.
For recycle.
Yo, gee, that skit you did, the Netflix one, right? I got an idea. I
Oh,
got an
God.
idea.
Go for it.
A doorman documentary, the doorman guy documentary.
Oh,
Netflix
shit.
one. You know what I mean? That I was
You wanna
thinking
do it
about it
together?
the way
Let's
you
do it
did it.
together.
You know what I mean? But you're the
So
doorman used to go in the club back
I'm the doorman is what you're trying to say?
No,
or
I'm
are
the
you gonna steal my
doorman,
skill-
and you're
Okay.
gonna be like interviewing like one of
Interviewer.
the person that was trying to get in the club.
Trying to
back
get
then.
in?
Yeah. But it was like a
Okay.
documentary, like make a documentary out of the door guy back then. You know
Is
what
it
I mean?
documentary or is it documentary?
Documentary.
There's a lot.
Miniseries.
Speaking of documentary, there's a lot of good documentaries out right now.
There are.
Dude,
Yo,
I saw
how
the
many
Osama bin Laden
documentaries?
one.
Did you see
Dude,
that
I just
one?
saw
I just
that.
saw
That was nuts.
Well,
was
I have
crazy.
to
Not that
watch
I
it.
didn't
I
know it.
have it.
But
And
it
the-
was insane.
And the Oklahoma City bombing, the new one that just came out. I saw that
Yeah,
one
I saw
too.
that too. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You know what? When I saw that Bin Laden, it's been, bro. I thought for some reason someone was hung, and I don't remember who was hung, but I thought it was Bin
Saddam
Laden.
Saddam Hussein.
They don't have a one on him.
They have one on Gaddafi. They got one on Saddam. They got
I
one on
never
all of
seen
them.
one of Saddam
2006. Saddam Hussein got hung in 2006. I still remember.
Right.
Because they had something on TikTok that I saw about that, but I don't remember seeing a documentary on it.
No, they have something on it.
But you know, I still like don't understand.
Mm.
Like, not to get into the conspiracies, like I still don't think a plane hit the Pentagon.
Really?
Yeah,
They had footage.
there's no footage of a plane hitting the
And
Pentagon.
they didn't find parts.
They didn't find no plane
Said it
parts.
melted.
All of a sudden, it just blew up the Pentagon. There's one video that you see the Pentagon blow up, but you don't see anything hit it.
Because you're telling me the Pentagon doesn't have a camera on it.
Right. There's no footage of a plane hitting the Pentagon.
I wonder why.
You know, it's just.
It's called cover up,
But
guys.
the thing is, then the hole, you see a hole in the Pentagon.
Yeah.
It's just one hole. What happened to
Yeah.
the wingspan? There's no wingspan. There's just a perfect hole.
Do we gotta get tinfoil in here? Is this the
I was
night that we
about
do
to say
this?
I'm gonna say absolutely nothing about this.
No,
Why?
listen, 9/11, the planes hit the towers. Obviously, we saw
on,
that
I
with
got a
our
black
own
cat follow
eyes.
me all
Yeah,
day.
but then there's also the conspiracy that the plane wasn't what made it come down.
Right, because they
there's
say that
so
the jet.
many
Well, I'm not gonna get.
conspiracies.
Yeah, I'm not getting
That's what
into
I'm saying.
that.
There's a
That I'm
whole-
not getting into.
There's a whole thing on this, bro.
You know.
When you open the door,
You know.
shit comes through. I'm just
I mean,
letting you know.
I do feel, regardless of 9/11,
yeah.
they're gonna. I feel like the news today, the power that those people have, whoever that
It's not just
person
them.
is,
It's government too.
they will just make you believe whatever they want to make you believe.
Well, this
Yeah.
is
That's it.
this is another thing. It's like this is why more and more people of our generation and younger are leaning off news and they're listen to a lot of podcasts. Like a lot of my news today comes from podcast.
Yeah.
I don't watch CNN. I don't watch Fox, barely at least. I mean, everything's a reel now anyway. So I don't know anyone my generation just sitting down watching
yeah.
Fox News.
I just want to make sure before I fall asleep and I get a nice good heartburn, I just look for news articles and then I go to sleep.
Yeah.
'Cause that's all they got, just bullshit.
It's true.
No, dude, there's so many podcasts now that just like give the
People should
news.
listen to us. We got the fucking news around here, bro.
We don't give the fucking news,
We
guys.
don't-
Lift the leg. Lift the leg.
Lift the leg. No, he's gonna die. Oh my god, I got such bad heartburn.
Oh my god.
Would our ancestors see this? Slap themselves or slap
Yeah,
us?
they call us. Look, these guys are real Italians.
If my ancestors, if my ancestors saw this, my great grandfather would put his balls on the chopping block. He said, "I'm gonna end it here."
The shimony didn't bump.
The shimony
Yeah.
But that's
Yo,
what it
here's a
is.
question I had. I was just thinking about stupid question. Do they have an Animal Planet in Italy?
An Animal Planet?
Like a show.
Yeah,
the
like you know
channel?
that guy. What's that guy's name? He's like
Who?
famous. David Harkenborough or something. In a world.
What the fuck is he talking about?
Are you talking about like
Don't you
crocodile?
guys have
hunting?
Animal Planet in Disney World over there? What are you?
No, he's talking about in
I
Italy.
said in Italy, bro.
Well, one of the memories I have about animals in Sicily when I was a kid,
I said,
was,
They used to that
Bro,
Japan.
is
where I really,
Is
as
your
a kid,
ass
when I was
okay?
5 years old, I was playing in the piazza.
yeah,
I got attacked by 3 stray dogs.
nice.
You know,
No joke.
I did. I was in the hospital. I got a scar on the back of my head because in Sicily back then, you had I don't know. I put this so close because I want people to hear the story. So in Sicily back then, I was 5 years old. I was playing the little piazza with my friend Piero, and 3
Piero!
stray dogs came. He ran, and I got stuck there. My mother came down, tried to pull me off, and I got cut in the back of my head.
Mm-hmm.
I ended up in the hospital, and they bit like the tip, like the back of my fucking
Oh
head.
shit.
But that's why till this day, like I'm not very fond of dogs. I don't
I
mind
can't
them.
imagine. You know,
You know what I mean? But yeah, that's
There was-
one of the memories I have in Sicily.
when I was in Sicily, there was a stray dog
I don't wanna bring up
who had a
bad
green
memories.
ass. We used to call him Broccoli.
Yeah.
That's all I got.
But
for
I
that.
remember when we went, Frank, when we went to Italy, when we were in Campo Reale, there were a lot of stray dogs.
Oh
out there.
yeah.
Apparently, it's
On-
not
on the
like that
cars.
anymore. I think they don't.
They got
I'm
rid
not
of-
sure if they still have that, but I heard they don't.
Cetro Valeno. Right?
Bro,
You know?
There were, when we went, at least in our town, there was a lot
Yeah.
on the cars coming out of
Yeah.
nowhere.
Yeah.
No, there's a
That's how it
lot.
was.
but they were friendly though.
Not all of them.
Really? All the ones that I've
bit
dealt
his
with?
head off.
Well, they're from where he's from. But I'm just saying, like,
Era malandrine,
Metto un cuore al canino.
Erano mafiosi cane. Scacciate.
Grazie.
Fucking dogs were sent by somebody.
No, but like where my aunt has her house, or where she had her house, there was 4 or 5 local very nice dogs. People would give them some food, whatever. They weren't like crazy like that, man. That's
Yeah.
nuts, man.
But it was rare. I don't know why that happened because those
You
dogs,
definitely did some
dogs
shit.
were there all the
You
time.
definitely did some shit.
I don't know.
You probably pulled.
Now I just feel like now if a dog attacked me, I feel like I could take a dog.
Oh, we're gonna go into there.
Like I feel like I could if a dog
I
attacked
think
me.
if you punch a dog real hard in the nose, I think you can get away with
All
it.
right,
Yeah, I feel
Peter.
like I could
This
fuck
is
up a
jokes,
dog, like,
Peter.
you
These
know
are
what I
just
mean?
jokes.
Some dogs are fucking crazy.
I'll talk mad shit and I'll run.
Bro, you think you take a pit bull, bro? They're vicious, bro. They'll
Yeah.
chew your face
Well,
off.
they keep saying that they have a bad rep, but I'm like,
I
tell it to the
hate
kid that they
pit bulls,
ripped the
man.
face
I
off.
hate pit bulls. You just saw that thing on the news with the pit bull
What?
attacking that little dog.
Oh,
Did you
Would
see
not
that?
get
a
off.
bunch of that,
He would
bro.
not. He would not get off that
He
little.
would not
dog,
get off
bro.
that dog.
Yeah.
You can't. They lock.
I don't.
I heard that's a
hate
myth.
pit bulls to
No.
me.
No, bro.
Whoever's a pit
There
bull
were people
owner,
punching
sorry-
the pit bull on the top of the head.
Yeah.
and that dog would not let go.
whoever's it's one of the ugliest dogs that I've ever seen. It's just like, what is the desire?
gonna
to
clip
have a
this one.
First
Go
of
ahead.
all, nothing is uglier than a fucking a
Chihuahua.
bulldog. No, a bulldog. Anything that has that short nose where their nose doesn't go that past far their forehead are fucking ugly fucking dogs. Not only that, they breathe like shit. And I think
Yeah,
it's fucked
they can't
up.
fly.
They can't
They
breathe.
can't fly. But I don't
But
mind
they were
those
bred
dogs. I don't
that
think
way.
they're ugly.
I'm saying that's not natural. Naturally, they're supposed to have snouts. They were bred to have shorter noses, and they can't fucking breathe. You hear them, and they're fucking.
I
Yes,
think they bred that way. Where they put their
That's
face
what
against
they
the
do,
wall.
bro.
Yeah,
Take
no,
a look at it.
he's right. They were bred that
They
way.
were bred that way.
speaking of
Most of
dogs,
those can't fly either. You can't even put them on a plane.
I thought you meant like dogs can't fly. I'm like, you know, shit, Sherlock, they're not birds. The fuck's wrong with you?
like speaking of dogs, like the other day I picked up my daughter from school, right? And I really don't do
Thank you.
school pickups much. But that day, there's this guy came with these two huge Rottweilers. These dogs, you know, Rottweilers, they're huge.
Yeah, they're big.
So the one parent asked, "Listen, do you mind putting the Rottweilers a little bit to that side? My son is very afraid of dogs." That parent was just like, "Sean, won't you mind your fucking business and just don't worry about your kid?" And that parent just stood cool. I looked at him. I'm like, my God, I give you so much credit right now for just composing yourself the way you did, especially the way he asked the guy just to please. You know what I mean? You come to school to pick up kids around. These Rottweilers were so fucking big, and there was two of them. He was barely had control of the dog because they were so
That's
big.
why you felt hard.
You know what I mean? And he's just like he took it personal because the guy just asked him, "Yo, dog owners." I mean, he's got a dog. I mean, your dog is such a sweetheart. You know what I mean?
His dog fits in his pocket. We're talking about like big dogs, bro.
big dogs like this. But the thing is, certain big, like my son,
Yeah.
is not afraid of big dogs.
No.
He loves big dogs.
Yeah.
Frank, he comes here, even though Gino's a saint, he's still, because he's a small dog, he thinks he's gonna.
Oh, like
Fight all
attack
over
the
his
shit out of
neck,
him.
you know what I mean?
Yeah. It's a
Yeah, see,
gremlin.
those dogs though, you can beat the shit out of.
I think it's
Nah,
because
the
when I
big
was-
ones.
When I was a kid, I used to do when my son was a baby, I used to do hey Max is coming, so I used to do Max
Ah,
with my
shit.
hand. So, and like
Max.
Max.
He was like, "No, Max, no."
Yeah. I used to, so I think
It's like
I
fighting
got him
with
afraid of dogs.
We were definitely talking. Oh, Nutella. Anyway,
Yeah. How do we go from Nutella to this?
Can't talk about Nutella just because we're Italian. We're gonna talk about fucking Nutella all the fucking time we
That's gonna be the go-to from now on. It's gonna be that.
do you guys like your fruit in the fridge?
I like.
Or
Don't
what?
get me started, bro. I
Except
was
my
about to say
bananas. My
something.
bananas stay outside. Everything else
I
stays.
I have to have fruit if it was cold. If you
Yes,
offered
me
me a
too.
warm apple,
I agree.
I don't want it.
All fruit goes in the fridge except bananas.
Bananas.
Even the pears I put in the fridge. Grapes
Yeah,
in the
no,
fridge.
I agree with that. Like my wife, she don't put everything in the fridge.
Mhm.
And then she was like, "Yeah, but you don't buy them in the fridge." And I was like, "Motherfucker, you don't."
That's true.
I was like, "Yeah." I was like, "I don't know why. I just for some reason I assumed they belonged
My
in the fridge." I
parents
was
always
like,
used to put them outside on the table.
Yeah.
Never in the fridge. I remember.
Yeah, but then they go faster.
They were always in the fridge, and I actually remember enjoying bread and grapes.
Yeah.
"Bro, you know what the
You ever had
best is
that?
called?
Yeah.
A good orange."
You know, you have put grapes in the freezer. You ever tried grapes in the freezer?
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
I heard about that. Yeah.
Nah, I
And
never.
I
put
heard
grapes
somebody
in the
just
freezer.
told me recently you got to put watermelon in the freezer. Who just told me that? Was it?
It was me.
No. Okay. Watermelon in the freezer is amazing.
Well, someone did say watermelon and lemon combo.
Yeah.
I could see that.
You get the clash, and it apparently it's great.
Boo.
Yeah. Well,
It's almost like Nichola and Lemone.
Oh, stop!
Weird.
You
Almost
guys are
like-
fucking gross.
No chola and
That's his combo. Nutrola,
That's
hazelnut
Frank's
with
combo.
limone. Explain that one.
you like no chola ice cream?
With limone on the side, like on a brush. Scoop in
really?
the
No,
scoop.
like a brush, scoop each.
Oh wow, that's a weird mix.
Thank you. Cornudo.
Yeah.
Making me feel like I'm crazy.
I think like like no chola and like maybe chocolate.
Right. Or fragola al limone.
Yeah.
You keep the fruits
Oh
together.
yeah, try it. Strawberry and lemon. Yeah.
Yeah.
The chola's a fruit, idiot.
Yeah, right.
The fucking are we
It's a nut.
fucking gelato?
Bro, the Nutella, bro. Stupid ass.
What is this nonsense that you hear about it being a sin having cappuccino after noon?
I think everyone's full of shit.
Well, someone
never
said
heard-
it called me a girl.
that-
remember?
Yeah, that's right.
I said that in a Secrets of the Boot video. I know that's common over there, but people were telling me I could
I
eat
think
shit,
that's
and
more
it
of an
wasn't.
Italy thing, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Over here, I mean,
Oh, yeah. People have pizza at 8
Bro,
in the
people
morning.
are
Gives a
literally
fuck.
sucking down Starbucks a fucking gallon of sugar
That's
at like
definitely
9
just
p.m.
an Italy thing.
But in Italy, you tell me nobody drinks a glass of milk?
Yeah, ooh, baby.
Nah,
Baby.
I don't know. They just believe that there's less dairy later in the day.
And they eat heavier earlier in the day than they would at night.
Right. Apparently, they have great big meals in the morning and
Right.
lunch, and then smaller portions throughout.
And
the
what
day.
do they know? They're just fucking skinny.
Skinny and
right?
fucking beautiful and
Disgusting.
sexy fucking people.
Gross.
Get the fuck out of here,
Bro,
Get
I
the
want to
fuck outta
see
here.
rolls. I want to see hard breathing. All right?
It's a Malum Deshta.
Yeah, my throat's hurting from yelling.
I can tell.
By the time we're done with this podcast, Sal's gonna have a limp and a sore throat.
He's walking out of here fucked up.
It fucking hurts acting like a jerk off.
I got really bad heartburn.
Bro,
had
you
a
know
couple
what now?
bumps to fix.
You supposed to have balls. You want to make fun of these people? Call these people out.
I
Who
call
talks
them
like
out.
that?
Let's
Who's
do it
the
right now.
people
Throw it down.
Fucking
do
who?
it.
Nah,
Yeah, no, he's like, no, what am I gonna do?
nah, I have nobody to call out. It's just a generation. I'm calling out.
It's
if I'm
not-
calling
it's not
anybody, it's a
person,
generation.
It's
all right.
multiple people.
It's a generation.
So
the
Sal,
fuck all you.
Sal. So people like us. I mean, you were born there,
I mean,
right?
that's what it is. Maybe because I was born there, that's why it bothers me a little
Right.
bit more.
No, I'm not saying it shouldn't, and I get your reasoning of why you would feel that way about
Yeah.
certain things and people. But like people like Marcus, me, Frank, who are first gen, does that bother you?
No, you guys are. I consider you guys just because I was born there. I consider you guys just as Italian as me.
Aw.
No, I do because you guys don't try to act like a certain way. You guys are.
You guys act stupid, but you're genuine.
No, I'm saying just like you know what I mean. You guys are Italian Americans, but
Yeah.
you're first generation,
Yeah.
and you guys kept your roots the right
it's
way.
like we're raised the same.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. We, knowing you guys, we definitely were raised very similar. Like I came here when I was 5. I wasn't raised in Italy. I was raised here. You know
You're
what I mean?
more
How-
American than Italian.
Absolutely. I'm definitely more American than Italian. You know, it's
Fucking
just-
fake Italian. I get
Fucking
it.
fake it. Hey, fucking get out of here,
Fucking
bro.
Italian. You spent 3 weeks there.
I s-
I came off.
we're Italian. We speak Italian. We're Sarà perché ti amo.
Right.
You know,
We're all Italians.
Yeah.
we're all Italian in this
I don't know.
room.
I can't let that shit go.
You really need to.
What?
It's just how bullshit flows and reality gets stabbed.
But
But,
the
like,
more you
I mean, bro, look at freaking what's that stupid ass show? Jersey Shore. Look how they
God.
exploded in the
Right.
2000s.
Yeah, that wasn't really Italian American.
Yeah,
though.
it's-
That was
Yes,
just
they
more
were.
like
They
trash.
they were all Italian. They
no.
said it every episode that they were Italian.
But I feel like that show started in a perfect era because a lot
Sopranos,
Reality
of
TV.
us were like that.
Sopranos, and Jersey. They came out in the perfect time.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
People went out, they got trashed, they danced. But now look, put on-
Was that like the beginning of reality TV? Pretty
Yes,
much.
it was all.
Yeah.
one
Was
of the-
Jersey
No,
Shore?
beginning was like Big Brother and shit like that. That was
It was
early
one of the
90s.
beginnings. It was one of this.
yeah, but you know what is the way things change. If you notice, every I don't know X amount of years, it goes from reality TV to movies, and it keeps going to shows to sitcoms. It keeps bouncing.
Yeah.
Right now, I don't even know where it stands. You know,
Yeah.
Who knows?
Social media now. There's
documentaries.
no documentaries. There's no. Yeah, that's really what they're making documentaries out of everything. They just came out. They're coming out with a documentary of that That submarine that exploded.
Oh, the one that
Yeah.
they took down.
I
It just
saw that,
happened a
yeah.
few months ago. What is it?
No, that was like last year.
No,
Was it
bro,
last
this is a
year
few
already?
years now.
Didn't someone like man make the remote?
No, the
Yeah.
remote was a PlayStation remote. It was a PlayStation 2 or 3 remote, and they were guiding it down there,
Yeah.
and they got crushed because
Coming
of the
out June
pressure.
1st, I think a documentary comes out. Supposedly a lot of news is supposed to come out on that.
It was old tech that they were using to navigate that sub, and it was supposed to be for rich people to go down and see the Titanic and everything like that. It's like, you know how far
Speaking
down
of
the
Titanic,
Titanic?
did you see the new footage of the Titanic?
No.
Hell yeah, I saw
You
that
saw
shit.
that? There's
Yeah, that was cool.
crazy
They
new
they
footage.
literally went underwater and made a 3D model of
Yo,
everything
it's
that
crazy.
they see.
You got to look it
And
up.
they yeah, bro, you gotta watch it. It's nuts.
Where is it?
It's they're
Hulu?
they're
I
coming
watch
out
on
with a
Hulu.
documentary on it, but I saw it all over TikTok. They brought these robots down there with these high tech cameras, and there's like crazy like
Like they were
they're
mapping?
discovering different things of how what happened on the ship from these pictures that they got.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Sal, there it already came out though.
Oh, it came out, that documentary?
Yeah, it's on Hulu right now.
Oh,
I
is
watched
it?
it. Yeah,
Oh,
I
I
watched
gotta
it
watch
last
He
week.
knows what he's watching that
Did
tonight.
they ever find Jack?
Oh, he's fucking,
Mishkino, you know.
I know.
There was enough room on that door for two. I said it.
Yeah, that bitch, then she just got laid.
And then she threw a necklace, millions of dollars down in the water. I'm like, "Qué cretina."
What you know about
Alright.
you, Jack?
I got Italian American movies, and I want to rate them.
Ooh,
One
what
to
kind of
five.
That's
scale?
a good
Best,
one. I
bad,
like
good.
this. Go
What kind
ahead.
of scale?
Okay,
1 to 5 or 1 to 10?
we can do bad or good, or 1 to 5.
No, we'll do 1 to 5. I like ratings.
All right, here we go.
Godfather 10.
Sopranos.
We got to give that a 10.
Let's
because-
take everything into
we got
account.
1 to 5.
Let's
Right, we
take
got to give that a
storyline.
5. I'll tell you why. Because
Wait, is 5 max?
5 is max.
Yeah, 5 is max.
We got to give that a 5 because it was a very successful show.
It
can't,
was.
You can't say it wasn't.
Right. All right. So
Even though
five.
But we could also
destroyed-
take under consideration how we felt about it the first 3 times we tried to watch
Okay,
it.
so
Right? I mean, like, I want to take everything under consideration here.
so how it did 5. How we felt about it 2.5. Go fuck yourself.
Right. The
No,
show,
I thought it was great.
No, it was good.
you thought it was what?
He thought it was
I
great.
thought it was
Oh, I
great.
thought you said a 3. No, that definitely deserves a 5. Did it destroy the Italian American community? Absolutely. But the show deserves
Did it
a 5.
fuck everything up? Yeah, but good
Yeah,
show.
that was the cinematic magic.
But here's a funny question before we move on. Was it The Sopranos that destroyed it, or was it The Sopranos actually brought out reality that we didn't see all the time?
No, I think it's The Sopranos. I
think
really
so?
believe
I
it
think
was
The
that show.
Sopranos
The Sopranos
brought
went on for
out-
10 years, bro. That shit was on for 10 years.
Something like
it
that.
10
No, it was
8
a-
seasons. It was like 8
8
seasons.
season, I guess.
Nah,
It's
it
still a long
was
time.
99 to 07.
8 seasons.
Damn. 99
Yeah.
to 07.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What you got next?
Wow, I didn't think it was that old. Damn.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
All right, The Godfathers, all of them.
Wait. You got to do Godfather 1, dude. I mean,
All right, come on, Godfather 1.
Go ahead, Frank. Godfather.
What, you want me to
Godfather
answer
one?
for me or answer for
Oh,
you?
No, it's for you. It's for you.
I think they're 5.
no. Godfather 1. Go ahead.
Oh, 1, I'll give that a 3.
Yeah. 3 also Godfather 1.
Godfather 2?
I give that a 5.
Same. You?
Sure.
What's sure?
1.
Yo, he fucking hates them. And
Seriously?
3, don't even say 3. We're all gonna say fucking
3.
0.
All right, Wise Guy.
Never saw it.
Wise guy?
Which one is that?
Yeah. Under groundbreaking crime drama featuring undercover agent Vinny Terranova,
Never saw it.
affiliated with the mob.
Never saw it.
Never saw it. I don't
I
even
have
know
no
what that
idea
is.
what that is.
Ray Donovan.
Oh, Ray Donovan? That
Yeah.
was awesome. Great fucking show. I give that a 4.
Never saw it.
Gotta watch it.
Yeah.
I don't
The
waste my
Offer.
time on stupidity.
Huh?
The Offer.
The
The
Offer.
Offer.
I
Oh,
give
The
it a
Offer.
5.
That was a 5.
That was more like a documentary if you really think
No,
about
that
it.
was a great. I was mad when it ended. I wanted that shit to
No,
go. That was
that
good.
was good. That was good.
I like how they
How
made
does
that
that
make
show.
sense?
The show about how they tried to get it made was better than the show. All right. Growing Up Gotti.
Is he Chinese?
Growing Up Gotti.
Growing Up Gotti? What the fuck is that?
No, I don't even.
Growing
think
Up Gotti.
The
That's
show.
a
You
that's a
remember the guy
reality
with
show.
the
show?
Just- yeah. I'm doing everything.
That
Growing
was
Up Gotti.
I never
saw
I
it.
saw bits and pieces of
I
it.
mean, I know the guys, but I never really.
You remember the who you took my fucking head, Joe? You remember them?
No,
No,
no.
that's Gino the Guinea.
Yeah, exactly. Do the other one.
Yo, where is that guy? Let's get him on.
Imagine
By
he's
the
still
way,
doing it.
Frank showed me that fucking that that pilot you guys did with that show.
Oh, You Got Whacked?
Oh, you got
You
whacked.
got
No,
whacked.
you guys
Yeah.
had the ultimate Caesar haircut. You and Frank.
Caesar haircut.
That Caesar
By the
haircut
way,
was so
that
tight.
haircut was a mistake. I was not supposed to have that haircut. Frank brought me to his barber, and that barber just went. "Meow."
What else you got?
Did you like it though? What'd you think? I found that guy, by the way, Sammy Colcuts.
Yeah. He posted.
I've
it.
been trying to get in touch with him. No, he lives here in Florida.
Oh, he does.
Yeah, I've been trying to like DM him, but he's on private. I'm like, bro, I was doing this with you. Come on. All right. Donnie Brasco.
Good movie. I give that a 4.
Yeah, I give it a 4. It's too long. That's why I'm giving it a 4.
Frank.
Sure.
Don't steal my fucking answers.
Boardwalk Empire.
Oh, that was.
I know that's for him. That's a 5.
That's a 5 for me.
It was good. It was good.
Sure.
Steve Buscemi.
Even Buscemi.
Bobby Cannavale.
Many Saints of New York.
Never saw it.
It was not.
I
it
thought
was
I
good.
thought that movie was a 3, 2.
Yeah, I give it a 2.
That was a little disappointing because I was like, I wanted it.
There's
to
a
be good,
part
let's
2
just
coming
say.
soon. I don't know.
They've been saying
Gravesend.
Gravesend.
Still present.
We
Gravesend.
really gonna air this?
It's on here.
We're really gonna air this?
Yeah, give your opinion.
Come on, man.
My opinion for Gravesend is it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
I think the first season,
First season was
yeah,
3 episodes.
but you see how they progressed,
They definitely progressed.
and they had a lot of better actors as they
Yeah,
progressed.
they progressed. So they're trying.
Frank's.
I'm gonna give first season a 1. I think the show itself will give a first season a 1. And
I thought I saw Chaz on
season
there too,
2,
right?
Season
I
2,
never actually saw it.
season 2, I'll give it a generous 3.
A generous 3.
Generous.
Okay.
And I didn't see season 3 yet.
That hasn't came out yet.
I'm the only scumbag that's gonna tell nobody. Nobody's gonna fucking tell
you're
me
hanging-
fucking Grace.
you're hanging-
bro.
you're hanging-
Bro,
yourself
Frank,
on your
make
own
sure,
rope.
Frank, make sure we clip this one and we put it on and we. all
The fuck guy. I'm here. Shit. I'm gonna get whacked.
right. They have random things here. All right, Our Thing with Sammy the Bull podcast.
No, I didn't watch that. I don't know what the fuck that is.
No, I loved it. I'd give that one a 10 if I could.
I mean,
Do you guys know what this is at all? or
what
no?
he did was fucked up. That's my honest opinion.
I'm just saying.
I'm just
His
Tell
life.
saying.
the story.
I just feel like he's a great storyteller.
Okay, that's fine.
Now that's just his side. Is it
Right.
true?
We don't know.
But he's a great storyteller.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bronx Tale.
I'm so sick of that shit. I'm giving it a fucking 2.
No,
No, you
don't do
can't.
it because
You
you're
can't.
sick of
You
it.
can't.
Do it.
Yeah,
I just-
no.
I-
Just
I mean,
give me
Bronx
the
still
thoughts of the
deserves
movie.
that. Bronx still
What, a
deserves-
5?
5, of course.
Yeah.
It's a classic.
It's in the classics book,
Stop.
right next to the Godfather.
Right next to the Godfather. That's what I was waiting for. I don't know. Maybe because I saw it so many times.
Your
dulled me
phone's
to
gonna
it.
fall, bro.
Yeah.
It's just gonna fall right there. Your phone's teetering. Oh, they fell.
Was that
La
it for
Bella
shows
Vita.
and movies?
A Bella
Well, there
Vita.
was-
No, that was a
I
good
can't
movie.
All
watch
day.
that
Bella
movie,
Vita, I was gonna.
I
end
think
it.
about that movie, I cry.
Really?
You know,
I watched it. I need to rewatch it. I remember.
that is
I
one of the
I need to
saddest-
rewatch it. I just have to.
saddest movies in the world when he like
The ending was the worst.
Oh,
At the
I
end,
like
when
the
he
other
plays
one.
out to still be playing that game.
What's the one? Ushidamu?
Cinema Paradiso.
Cheat 'em.
Bro, I've never laughed so hard when that guy kept spitting in the fucking movie theater. That shit
I
made
don't know
me
what you're
die.
That I haven't watched it. in
Bro,
years.
Cinema Paradiso. This guy, every time there was a film on, he was a business guy. He had a newspaper, whatever, glasses.
Was it Roberto Benigni in that movie?
No. He kept chewing on something and he kept spitting on the floor. Time after time, you see him. People got so sick of his shit, they ended up literally throwing shit on him in a newspaper, and they would whack him with it, bro. He got covered because he kept spitting on the
I don't
floor.
remember that. haven't.
Dude,
watched that
I
movie in
remember
years.
that so clearly. It's not even funny, bro.
Let's talk about the Godfather.
Good night. I can't, bro. Yeah,
Ah.
I have a list of actors we can do this to.
they're gonna come here and fuck me up.
Joe Pesci.
For like that again?
Like body wise.
I mean, Joe Pesci is.
I mean, he's fucking sexy, bro.
Joe Pesci's an elite guy. I give him a 5.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, he's been MIA for quite some time, up until Irishman, and then disappeared again.
Well,
He's
but like
old,
his
bro.
his
bro. I mean,
his
he's old.
classics. What's that one with the his dad owned the hotel? or an
Oh,
apartment building. The Super.
The Super. I love that one.
That was I
I-
love that. Movie.
I heard he got
Dude,
out
that's
of.
one of the best ones.
Yeah, I don't remember that. I
No,
gotta
you don't
check it
remember
out.
Dude,
Super?
you gotta watch
his,
it.
his
It is
father
hilarious.
owned buildings.
Yeah.
So his father granted him a building for his birthday.
I
But he
gotta
said
watch
to
that.
him, "You don't put $1 into these places because animals live there." So they try to collect rent, bro. It's freaking hysterical.
Oh no, and he was court ordered.
Then
to
he was
live.
court ordered to live there, so now his son's stuck living there because he owns it.
Yeah.
Right.
And then you see him how he, changes and starts helping the community instead.
Yeah.
And the father sees that and he goes, "You disown me. You're breaking my heart."
Oh, I gotta watch
It's
it.
hysterical.
Oh, it was good.
Yeah.
No, but I also heard that the reason he wasn't in a lot of films, he had a lot of backlash with people in the film industry. They kind of like blackballed him.
Oh, he was hard to work with. I heard or something like that.
They're all hard to work with at some point, bro. Come on. You know how many things I hear about the new actors that are out there? Some of them are ridiculous, bro.
I mean,
Like,
you had
What does it
someone
take to be
sitting.
an actor today?
You had
think it was
someone-
easier? You think it was easier to become an actor back in the day than it is now?
I think it's the same.
Like, you think it was easy for De Niro to get into acting, like back then, versus
Well,
like
did
you
you see?
have to do?
Did you watching The Offer? Did you see how lucky he? No, was it The Offer? How lucky De Niro was to get the part?
Al Pacino.
No, Al
I'm
Pacino.
talking about Al Pacino
Al
now.
Pacino.
Yeah.
They didn't want him.
They didn't want him.
in there.
Yeah.
After once, because of that one scene where he shoots the guy in the restaurant.
That's why everybody got shocked.
That's where he shocked everyone. Like, wow, this guy's legit.
Also, Coppola.
Do you think if Al Pacino didn't have the role in The Godfather, he would be as famous as he was today with all these other movies?
Absolutely, I believe it. I mean, it takes one movie to just set you.
And he was awesome in Devil's Advocate.
Yeah,
That was fucking awesome.
that was really good.
You
That's
felt
when he was
the-
blind.
No. That's The Scent of a Woman.
Oh, The Scent of a Woman.
Yeah,
that's right.
Devil's Advocate was with Keanu Reeves.
Yes,
He was,
yes.
And then he was actually the devil.
Yeah.
I like those.
Danny
psycho ones.
DeVito.
Danny DeVito. I want to hug him. I like him. I'll give him a 5.
He's funny.
Oh yeah.
He's hilarious.
Oh yeah.
You ever
He's
seen
a
Sunny?
great guy
You guys
too.
watch Sunny?
Sunny. It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. No, I
Dude,
watch
it's-
bits and
it's
pieces, but
hilarious.
I have to sit and watch the whole thing because I'll appreciate him a whole lot more, man. He's fucking hilarious.
I'm gonna say this name.
Oh,
We'll cut
God.
this part out. What I'm about to talk about until we say his name. I want to get him on. The
Oh,
show,
I know
all
what
right?
you're gonna say.
We got to talk real
I
good
know what you're
about
gonna
this
say.
guy.
Don't fucking
right,
say
ready?
it, bro.
Okay.
Chaz Palminteri.
Chaz was also in that movie with where
Sylvester Stallone?
no, what's that?
Dude, he was in the Night of the Roxbury.
True Love, True
Yeah.
Romance.
You guys
right?
remember that?
Yeah.
Was Chaz in True Romance where he says, "Oh, you're Sicilian, but Sicilians and black"? Was that True Romance?
I don't remember.
I don't remember that
I don't
one.
remember that one. But Night of the Roxbury, he always wanted to know who was touching his ass.
Yeah.
Loved
you
it.
touched my ass.
You touch my ass? I'm all the way over here. How am I touching your ass? Just want to make sure.
I mean, Chaz
It's
had.
okay if you did.
Chaz was in Analyze.
The first
Analyze
one.
This.
Yep.
That shit. He was pretty good.
He
in that.
was great on that one,
You know what I
man.
mean? No,
He was
I
in
give
Analyze
Chaz
This.
a
Find me a
4.
dictionary. I want to know what disclosure
yeah,
is.
correct.
Yeah. What's this closure? We want
I
Whatever
thought
it
you
is,
were
I'm gonna hit
bringing
him
up
with it
somebody
first.
else that was sitting on this couch and brought up a name. I thought that's the name you were gonna bring up. You know what I'm talking about.
We're sitting on this. Oh, yeah.
Just say it. I'll cut it. What is
After
it?
the show.
okay.
No, but Chaz was also in the movie with Sylvester Stallone that he was a mafia guy. Oscar.
Yes.
Anybody?
Nobody
Oscar.
saw
Yes.
True Romance with
Yes, I remember
what's his
that.
name?
Don't call me
Enzo, you
boss.
saw True Romance?
Sorry, boss.
True Romance.
Bro, all you are saying right now is True Romance over and over again, bro.
Oh man, if you guys didn't see True Romance, you guys gotta watch True Romance.
Bro,
And-
Frank,
and
I
just
You
like
know
gotta
this-
tell me about True Romance.
She always thinks I'm heartbroken. And it's a True Romance with Christian Slater. Hold on, hold on. True Romance.
Google.com.
Yes. Yeah, True Romance with Christian Slater.
Mhm.
And no, it was Christopher Walken was in it, not
Oh.
Christopher Walken says
So it wasn't even Chaz.
Chaz,
Bro,
he
put the
says
phone down,
he says
please.
that Sicilians are
Mm-hmm.
he goes because they were True Romance is a classic. It's
I
a
need you to
movie.
do me a favor.
It's
I
a
need
movie
you.
from 1993.
Can you tell me the
Can you
title
say it
again,
one
bro?
more time?
I just need you to say
True
it.
Romance.
Yeah, Oscar was a great film. It wasn't no True
What did you
Romance,
say,
but it was a
G?
good film.
Don't call me boss.
Oscar when he's
Sorry, boy.
You never seen Oscar?
Yeah. That's when Sylvester
Frank, I
Stallone was trying
know-
to make it out of like That was after like his Rocky and Rambo days. He was trying to come up with some.
Wasn't his
that,
last
and
name
that was his only good
Provolone?
movie.
Yeah, Mr.
Yeah.
Provolone.
Provolone.
Mr. Provolone.
That was a
Frank,
good one.
I know you saw his one-man show, and I'm so jealous because I want to see that so bad.
He's still
And
doing
I
it
know, but I think he's only came here once, and I never got to go.
for one
Like I
man
heard
show.
unbelievable
Yo,
performance.
literally, it's him and a light post, and he does a phenomenal job of acting. Out
And
the
he
whole
kept you
movie.
like engaged the entire
yeah,
time.
he's a good storyteller.
Is he literally just telling the story of the Bronx Tale?
of his point of view, and sometimes other characters' point of views, but he does a great job telling the
'Cause-
story.
Really?
A lot of people don't know this, but it's based on his life. He is Calogero
Yeah, he said that
in
yeah.
the movie.
yeah.
So I thought that's like, if nobody knew that, I mean, he did amazing writing.
I also enjoyed the musical. Enzo had bought me tickets at one time for my birthday. I thought that was
They
amazing
made a musical? Oh, they did. Yeah,
Yeah.
you're right.
on Broadway. That was really good. Yeah, we were up front, and that time the guy spit and sneezed with the lights. That's all you saw. It looked like somebody got a spray bottle.
Ah, that's gross, dude.
Anyway, guys, what you did, buonanotte.
Buonanotte. And we can't sing more than that because
It was good catching up. It's been a while.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yo, Sal, good night, cuz.
Yo, good night,
Sal,
bro.
what was the name of that movie?
Yo, that movie was fucking
True Romance.
True Romance, bro. This guy said, "Yo, Italians are not fucking. They're fucking black." You know what I'm saying, bro?
Yo, can you wave goodbye with your leg?
Yeah, bro. Later, guys.
Later.